Hello guys, we are here by our chicken coop, and as you can see, our dog wants to get in. Louie, you stay outside. Louie is not allowed. He tried to open it, ani. So we are here outside because this morning my husband buy this lime. What is the use of the lime, honey?
It kills bacteria. We used to put it in the horses' stalls. Hey, Louie, out.
Louie, no! Outside! Come on! Try to lock out. So, they said that this lime here is used to kill bacteria or germs.
It's natural. It comes out of the ground. They mine it, mining. But it'll take the moisture out of your hands.
Dapat ko na mag-wear ka gloves, Noy. We are trying to clean up the cages this time. Yeah, open. Ablihin na, Noy.
Just do it on everything.
Tanan, Noy. Ang tanan dyan na butangan, Noy. So, we're gonna apply the lime on everything here inside the chicken coop and even outside. How many kilo is that, honey?
Huh?
How many kilo?
50.
So, in that small bags there, that is 50 kilograms and it costs around 500 pesos. Or $10, right?
Yeah. I don't know if we're gonna... We should do the baskets too.
We are trying to fix again the chicken coop this time because, guys, we are planning to grow again some layers or some chicken here. It's my first time to see what is lime, so it's like a white powder.
Yeah. Like when you keep animals in a barn.
Yeah?
And they keep pooping on the floor, even though you clean it every day, there's still bacteria.
Oh, so that's why...
When you clean out the stalls, you put that on the bottom and then you put fresh.
Oh, so that's why the farmers put this one if they have like livestock.
In
cleaning.
North Carolina, we also put it on our grass around the house because it makes the grass, they called it sweetening the grass.
So, oh, that's nice.
Okay.
Okay. Throw it away. Abog ra ba na yun yung? Amadto ra man dahil pod sa ubos na yun, no? Si Louie. It is not bad for the animals.
No, it's all natural. They mine it out of the ground.
So is this is just an organic way?
It's a high alkaline.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Yeah, we need to fix those cages there. Everything is broken now.
We're gonna have to do something about these little pinhole leaks too.
Yeah, the
maybe
leaking.
Buy some more Volcasil.
Yeah, we have small Volcasil there.
So, we do? Do we have Volcasil left?
Napamantanay no, tong gamay. Yeah, we have little one.
Okay, so we'll put these.
So we're gonna fix the hole there.
Yeah.
For our chicken so doesn't get wet from the rain. Especially nearby the cage.
Yeah, definitely.
We are cleaning it again.
All these need to be cleaned.
Kanitan na, Noy. Di din siya kuya sa kuwan there. It's not dangerous for the animal. But it's powder. You need, when you apply this one, you need to wear mask.
Yeah, probably wouldn't hurt.
Look. And I guess when we put again a chicken hair, we need to fix the outside also.
Make sure you get a bunch in with a brooder.
Yeah. finished putting the limes on the cages.
Yeah, you'll see
Everything.
the grass will grow fast.
And on the ground. So the grass like this one.
Oh yeah.
So in here inside the chicken coop, the grass will grow easily.
I hope not. But the grass that's already here.
Oh, anyway, we are going to add a rice hole, right?
Yeah.
So it's okay.
What are you doing, big guy?
So even outside, guys, we decided to apply this lime on the ground. No. And we pull out everything like the basket, the waterer, the feeder, and the bucket where we put our feeds, because we are going to clean it, wash it with bleach. We bleach everything before we are going to use it again. So yeah, all we need to do here now inside, we're gonna fix the cage and put everything back together. Then when it's get ready, we're gonna put some chicken here. So I guess that is for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.